Hey, Mini Cooper fans out there. I'm doing this video for this 300 ml oil catch can that I'm gonna install in my Mini Cooper S. It's a 2009. I bought this car about a year ago from the original owner. He took meticulous care of it, did all the stuff he was supposed to do, but you know, one thing I do believe in is that, you know, that recycling of that oil to the turbo is not a good deal. So I'm gonna install this. I wanted to do a quick video because I did watch some other ones out there. I think it's very simple. Don't be intimidated by doing it. I like this catch can. I'll just give you a look of the Cooper. I like this small catch can because of its size. It's small. I don't think it's gonna fill up very often, which is gonna cause a lot of maintenance for it. So, but I wanted to show you really quick because I took the original hose, I already started on it, and then after I started I realized, I'm like, you know what, maybe I'll do a quick video. So what I did is I cut out that center section there, so just this small section here. I'll have to trim a little bit more, but I'm gonna put the catch can here where everyone else has. It's the most simplest idea, but you can get the catch can here. I believe that you can use these stock hoses in just the right way. Cut a little bit more off and you're able to go to the in and out of that. I went to the auto parts store and purchased these 5/8 to 3/4 reducer, and it's going to look nice, I think, because it's going to go with kind of the stock look of the car. So I don't have anything to hold the camera with, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. But you get the idea of how I'm gonna end up mounting it here. I did cut the bracket a little bit, just so it fits in here a little bit nicer. And so I'll take some video when I've got it put in. It should be fairly straightforward. It's a very simple catch can. All right, got the stock hoses cut, and you see I got the adapters in here. That 5/8 to 3/4 adapter, I got that in here. I did use a zip tie, you know, the stock pipe down here. This had a zip tie in it. If you don't have one of these, this thing is awesome. This zip tie tightener, it really wrings the neck of anything that you put a zip tie around. So I think that's gonna help here. As well as I did mount the catch can. So I cut a little bit off the back here just so it kind of sits a little bit more flush against the firewall. I had just a standard, like, you know, automotive Phillips head there that went right into that C-clip that was already on there from the factory. And so this thing, you know, seems okay. And so I'm going to get this 3/4 inch hose on that I bought. I'm going to cut pieces of this stuff in length. I think I just bought about a foot of this stuff, so it should be enough for both sides. So I finished here with the 300 ml oil catch can from Evil Energy. I got this, you know, just on Amazon. You know, I think all in all from the auto parts store, I think it was $11 for these 2 fittings and 2 feet of hose. You don't need the full 2 feet, so I did have a little bit of waste, but the 2 feet seemed to work out. I'll just put some hose clamps up on here just to keep this tight. This seems to be good with the zip ties. And in the bracket, like I said, I just kind of cut the bracket up a little bit because the one that came with it was really long. But you can see that I can easily reach under here and turn this off and pull it out without spilling any oil. Once it's, you know, partly full, you can just take this stick here and check it. But I'm happy it was clean. Probably all in all, it took me probably barely 30 minutes. Most of the time I was figuring out because I really just wanted to use these original stock hoses, and I kind of wanted to stay with something that looked more stock rather than brass. But hope this helps you with your install.